To create a new project, go at the bottom right corner and click here. Give a project name and then choose your preset. The Instagram story is the most popular for vertical videos, or you can use custom canvas size. Finally, when you're happy with your settings, click on Create Project, and the editor will open automatically. To zoom and pan efficiently, you can use the mouse wheel for faster zoom in and out, or the plus and minus keys for more precise zooms. To move, you can drag both inside the canvas and also outside. Remember that for multi-selection, you need to hold Control and drag. To change the background color, make sure you have nothing selected, or you'll see the Properties panel. When nothing is selected, you see the Background panel. Now click on the plus icon. The background works in layers. The top layer is what is shown first. Now the background is linear, and with this plus icon, you can add a new color, creating a gradient. In this example, I'll use 3 colors. Now you have 2 sliders, the position slider that controls where the color line starts, and the opacity slider that controls the alpha of a color. For example, here, I can slide this down to have a beautiful effect. The background works in layers, so you can stack different colors. The second layer is visualized when the first layer has a color that has at least one color at less than 100% opacity. You can stack up to 4 layers and add up to 10 colors per layer, allowing very different possibilities. To create a rectangle, you can either drag to create it with your own custom sizes, or you just click in the canvas to fast create it. A circle is created inside the dragged rectangle. To create a line, go to the drawing tools and click the line icon. Make sure to change the color to white if the background is black, and now click different points in the canvas. When you're happy, press Enter to create the line. When you start a project, the canvas is at 100% zoom by default, made to have a very decent amount of details. To zoom out, you can use the scroll wheel or the plus and minus keys on the keyboard. If the canvas goes out of sight, right-click on an empty space and click on View Canvas. To lock and unlock layers on the canvas, click on this icon in the Layers panel. This will make the shape not movable or editable in the canvas. In Edit mode, there is a different lock that allows to lock a clip in place, making it unmovable. To reorder layers, you have 2 methods. First, in the Layers panel, you can click the arrow icons to move forward and backwards, or a faster way is to right-click to show the same options. To move a shape on top of everything, click on Bring to the front. And the same applies for Bring to the back. Even those actions can be done using the Layers panel. If you want to multi-select a shape like this without dragging the canvas, hold the Control key and drag. Every shape that the selection touches will be selected. To export a design, go at the top right of the toolbar and click on the export icon, and here you have different options. You can export as PNG right away. To render the project as a video, make sure you go in Edit mode and create a sequence first. If you want to export your layers separately, click on Export Layers. This will export a zip ready to use. To access advanced shapes, go to Studio mode, and next to the canvas you'll have 3 tabs. In the Shapes tab, you can find polygons of different dimensions. On the Arrows tab, you can find all kinds of arrows, pointing in every direction. And finally, on the More tab, you can find category-less shapes, such as different stars, like the 8-point star, the 10-point star, the 12-point star, the 16, 24, and 32-point star.